looks like peeing in grandfather's mansion.
It is. It's like so unlovely.
You can see I'm holding the camera level.
It's more like, it's about like this.
Not much. But it's, oh, and then when a semi goes by.
It's really wonky.
I used to always be worried when it would take them forever to get us checked in. But most of the time, they're just talking. Which is cool.
We didn't get any treats, I'm sorry.
He's so disappointed.
I'm sorry.
Poor puppy. We'll give you a treat when we get there.
Yes. Okay.
Alright, where are we at, Linda?
Alright, so this is where we're at. Right here. So first row, she said, you can go all the way down and around.
Right there to 117.
Anytime I try to cook bacon, this is what happens. Smoke everywhere. To the point where the smoke detector would not turn off, so we had to take it down. Or I have to go buy a new one today.
Leos.
Smoky in here.
Smoky.
What, babe?
Why are we going to have to buy a new one?
Why are we gonna have to buy a new one? Because it wouldn't stop squealing.
And so Dad did what?
And so Dad took it down and made it stop squealing. So I woke everybody up this morning and said, let's go to a museum in an hour. And we got out here. What happened?
I just happened to notice that the tires kind of bubbled out. And it's got no air in it. Flat as a pancake.
Man, you were not kidding. We were out of air.
0. It had no air in it.
So crisis averted.
Yep.
Matt, we got up this morning to go to the museum. Matt found a flat tire, but thankfully, old Matt installed a compressor. So,
In past episodes, upgrades and repairs, check it out.
can you hear that? Thankfully, it's not a big deal. So we'll go to the museum, check it out, and then when we get back, Matt was gonna check it to see if we can figure out why it's leaking. We're at the Eli train station.
I hurt my leg.
David hurt, well, I hurt David's leg. I tripped and smashed
my leg in the door.
in the door.
To a million pieces.
We'll put a bruise picture on here later once it's developed. But
Yeah.
we bought tickets to go on the train.
Tickets.
So I'm excited.
Please. He's 13, so he doesn't get a discount.
He has to have an adult ticket.
You're an adult.
The original mainline of the Nevada River, over 100 years of railroading history can be seen to either side. Since the completion of the Nevada Northern to Ely on September 29, 1906, it has been the lifeblood of the county, making modern communication possible with the rest of the country.
Oh, that's creepy. Okay, let's go. Did that get you? Okay, what did they say? Hi. Did you say the chips were $1? Perfect.
I'll get out of your way. Alright, just one door? Yep. You're okay.
Right there. There they are. If you get a chance, you should do it. It's really cool. It's neat because you can walk if you want to. You can get up and move around. It's very bumpy though.
What did you say?
So what is it?
This is, we've always called it engine turning, I think. Anyway, so all these are swirls, these are circles. I'm assuming back in these days were done by hand. You can do them with a machine now. Someone had to turn every one of those. There was like a special little pad with a handle on it, and you just spin it, touch it to it and spin it to make each one of these swirls. And this looks like it was done by hand because they're not even.
What'd you say about it though?
This is back when people took pride in their work.
Mm-hmm.
People actually took pride in their jobs, you know, when they built stuff.
To last.
Mm-hmm.
It's going somewhere. It's going to the light. Can you hear something over there moving? I think it's the light. Everything left exactly as it was in 1983. Look at the vacuums.
Mm-hmm.
We are on the road again, heading away from Eli, heading to Zion. We are going to be staying there for a couple days. I think, how many? 4?
4 nights. Yeah.
4 nights in Zion. But as we were leaving town, we did not know that this road was going to be this amazing. The views are just
gorgeous.
amazing.
Come around that corner
beautiful.
especially.
Right there, just now, it's like you can see the whole landscape. It's just really pretty. Like, that's crazy.
So pretty.
You know, we've been traveling for 2 full months at this point, and you would think that, like, you get kind of complacent, I guess, or used to the views, but I definitely have not. And I think it's because we've seen something different and something new almost every other week, feels like.
Yeah.
Keeps things fresh and keeps us appreciative of what we're able to do here.
Even though it's still just mountains, it's different.
Yeah.
Every mountain is different, really. Or every area has different types of mountains.
Yeah. As we wrapped up this stop, we knew the next part of our journey was going to be a big one. Zion has been on our list for a long time, and it did not disappoint. But the beauty of Zion came with a challenge. We took on what became our most difficult hike so far. The kind of hike that tests your lungs, your legs, and your determination. There were definitely moments where we had to stop and catch our breath and remind ourselves why we're even doing this. But each step brought us to the views that were even more rewarding. We can't wait to share this next adventure with you, so make sure that you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. That way you don't miss when our Zion episode goes live. Trust us, you're going to want to see this one. Thanks for traveling along with us, and we'll see you in Zion.